Hi there, welcome to the Easy Tunes course where we're going to learn lots of easy tunes on the harmonica. Now, the way to get single notes is something that you definitely need to know about. And if you just take a drink of water or a cup or a glass, that shape is what you need. Now that's going to give you the exact shape for puckering, and if this is the airflow here, it looks like that. If you want to try a different way, there's tongue blocking. See the black dot here? Or this side? I think that's a little bit more difficult, but people use it a lot. And the third way that I've come across is U blocking. And again, you see this is the airflow. So you can try any of those three. I just think puckering is the easiest to start with, because it's kind of natural. And you just breathe softly, breathe easy, don't blow like you're blowing candles out. Just breathe out like you're blowing a feather across a table, something like that. And when you breathe in, don't suck, just inhale gently, and that's going to sound really nice. Let's have a look at Lee Oscar's famous tune from War, the band, Low Rider. I'm sure you've heard it. It's actually quite easy to play, luckily for us. So that's the first bit. Da 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 da, and then da 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 da. That's the only harmonica bit apart from improvising. So let's have a look. It's a load of 3 draws to start with. You'll see from the tab here. That's all 3 draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And then a 4 blow and a 4 draw. Do 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 do. 4 draw. 4 blow. 4 draw. So pretty easy, I think. You'll find. Do 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 do. We can play this on just holes 3 and 4. So this is going to be 3 blow, 3 draw, 4 blow, 3 draw, 3 blow. So it's 3 blow, 3 draw, 4 blow, back to 3 draw, 3 blow. Three blow, 3 draw, 4 blow, 3 draw, 3 blow. So let's put that all together, shall we? So it starts on 3 draw. It's all, if in doubt, play 3 draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the main part. So just repeat that over again. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, again. You can use 2 draw instead of 3 blow if you want. Gives it a bit more character, but it's a bit harder to play that, so I'll leave that in your department. And then we've got do 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 da, da. So how it normally would be played would be 2 draw double bend, but we can play it on 5 draw, 5 draw, 5 draw, 5 draw, 6 blow. So a load of 5 draws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, and then a 6 blow. So when you play it with the track, it becomes obvious. Let's do the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, go. And then the tune, which the singer sings, "Oh, oh, my friends." So you'll see this from the tab. 4 draw, 3 draw, 3 blow. Oh, my friends, know the low rider. 3 blow, 3 blow, 3 blow, 3 draw, 3 blow. It's still, again, quite easy to play. And then the next verses are just the same but different lyrics. The low rider is a little higher, yeah. The low rider drives a little slower. Low rider is a little goer. It's the same thing. That's it, I think. So enjoy that tune. It's all about the groove, isn't it? There's not much to play. It's all about the groove. So have a listen to all the different versions of it and have fun with Low Rider, as I've done for many years. Okay, see you later.